just head out to do some walking, shopping, hopefully. If only I remember how to go there. There's a mall nearby here, if memory serves me right. On the left of here. Seafood. Whoa, look at that fella. Wow. Well, in the distance I can see a humongous junction. This should be it. The place we're going to is called Central. It's good that we're walking against the traffic. This is the bus station actually. Let me walk inside. Just to be safe. Now in this extreme low light condition, if I was to use my Action 2, which I tried in my previous Vietnam trip, it will be totally unusable footage because it will be so jittery. I just can't use it. Or even in my phone with my S22 Ultra, I tried when I was in Hanoi, especially for the night market. It was horrible, but luckily the night market was still slightly brightly lit. If not, you would have been hopeless. Okay, so now we need to cross the road. It's actually diagonally over there. How do I cross the road? Oh, okay. I should cross here first, apparently. Silly me. Alright, time to go. Now we have to cross this side of the road. Now, previously I was staying right behind over there somewhere. That was the first Airbnb I stayed. Actually, if you just checked out the video on the channel, you'll find that. Ho Chi Minh first Airbnb. As you can see, at the end of the road, it's very, very busy, very happening. But right now, at this juncture, oh, we can cross. I always find crossing the street in Vietnam an adventure. Right, now are we at the right place? That's the question. Seems like it. Oh, there's a Family Mart right opposite. Yes, we are at the right spot. Now, as you can see, there's an Asiana Food Town signage there. Unfortunately, it's under renovation. The last time I was in Ho Chi Minh. Ah, there we go. Central Market. this market is unique is because it's underground. Now they have like a open area here, as you can see. People bicycling, kids, children, even some skateboard, I believe. But the reason we're here is because of this mall. Let there be light. Okay. So there are a lot of clothes. A lot of clothes actually, come to think of it. Now let's see whether Asiana Food Court Market is open. Yep. As you can see, unfortunately it's not. It used to be the place, but the pandemic really affected this place heavily. Hopefully it will bring it back. We shall see. What a waste. If you look back the Google listing, you will see it's very highly rated and lots of pictures. People are sharing. This place looks gorgeous. And then here is the new playground. A lot of clothings for the new generations, as you can see. Or hip shops. Unfortunately not for us. So let's head back over there and have a look at some clothes, shall we? Actually, I want to get some clothes in Saigon Square the next few days. But since we're here, let's have a look and see how surprising like. Oh, I can feel the tiles cracking. Whoa.
Mày để coi ảnh chỉ coi ra rồi à. Camera anh chỉ chỗ lên một lên.
That's me. Jeans. quite big actually, surprisingly. Oh, this is a nice shirt.
Em có đủ size ạ.
Oh, sorry, cannot speak. How much? XL, wow. So big.
Việt Nam đồng.
Ooh,
Việt Nam đồng.
okay.
What?
So expensive.
What?
Okay, let me go around first. Thank you. $350,000. Fairly expensive. The most I'll pay for that is 250. Some kids' clothing. I guess I'll settle with Saigon Square. But it was good to visit.